A bike taxi operator was shot by a lone gunman as he cleaned his motorcycle at Racecourse Grange Hill on Tuesday morning. The police said the gunman brandished a firearm and opened gunfire at him. In fear for his life, the injured man ran off to elude the gunman. Observer Online understands that, however, the gunman reportedly made good his escape on foot in the area. When the shooting subsided, it was discovered that the man was shot. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, he was seen suffering from what appeared to be a gunshot wound to his back. He was transported to hospital where he was treated for his injuries and admitted in serious but stable condition. The community has been under heavy police military presence as murders climbed to 5 in less than 72 hours. According to the police's latest statistic, 20 people have been killed in Westmoreland since the start of the year. 2 people were rushed to hospital after the motor vehicle in which they were traveling went over a precipice on the Temple Hall Main Road in St. Mary around midday on Thursday. The incident reportedly involved a Subaru Impreza with 3 people aboard, which collided with a Prado motor vehicle. It is said that the driver of the Subaru escaped serious injuries. It is alleged that the Subaru driver overtook a line of traffic and lost control when he hit the Prado. More to come. Police in St. Mary have been left shocked and saddened by the sudden passing of their colleague, 27-year-old Constable Shaquille Ellis. Ellis, who was assigned to the Detention and Courts Unit, died on Thursday morning. He was a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force for 7 years. Police report that Ellis was at home with his mother in Rock River in Richmond about 6 a.m. when she went to wake him but found him unresponsive. The Richmond police responded and Ellis was taken to the Anatole Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead. According to the police, no signs of violence were seen during their preliminary investigation. They are awaiting the results of a post-mortem.